Hey guys, this is my WWE shop unboxing. Haven't done a video in a while, so might as well come back with a unboxing. And yeah, I'm just not going to waste too much time. I'm going to open it up. Okay, by now you guys can probably already guess what this is. It is one of the Wrestlemania 28 plaques. Oh, there it is. It's the Sheamus one. And it's number, wow, 54 of 1,000. Nice low number. Signatures. It's alright. Doesn't really say Sheamus, but it's his signature, right? There's a picture of him pinning Daniel Bryan. A piece of the mat. WrestleMania 28, April 1st, 2012, World Heavyweight Champion Sheamus. So that's it. See the back, see if they have the same way how they had it before. Yeah. Same thing again with the teeth at the top. And certificate of authenticity is a sticker on the back. That's really it for my order. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and that's it for me. Later.